Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. Today we will continue by drawing the parts. We will do today part 11. First of all, let's open SolidWorks. As usual, here dimensions are in millimeter. Left click on front plane, right click on it, normal to, and sketch. This is our part 11. Let's start by drawing these circles. The inner one diameter 40, the outer radius 40. Circle. Small dimension. Diameter 40. Radius 40, so it's diameter 80. Let's draw now these two tangent lines. For example, random line, horizontal like this. Another one also like that. These two lines are equal. Relation, this line contour this line. Horizontal, this line contour this line. Equal, and this line contour the circle at relation. Tangent, this line also contour this circle. Tangent. Perfect. Length of this line is 130 millimeter from the center there. You can catch the point here and the center there, and smart dimension 130 millimeter. You can close the sketch by drawing this line. Now we can trim the circle in order to do the extrude. Feature extrude, height 20 millimeter. So extrude there 20 millimeter. Let's save it. Part 11. Now let's draw this block. We have the length of the line 80 millimeter. Right click normal to sketch. Can draw the vertical line like this. Distance 80 millimeter. So now it's fully defined. To close this contour, we can either draw the lines or do directly convert entities by left click on the surface, convert entities, then do trim. And now we have a closed contour like this, 80 millimeter. Now, the height of this block is 100 millimeter, but we drawn before 20 millimeter extrude, so it's 100 minus 20, so it's 80 millimeter. So hit feature, extrude, 80 millimeter, enter. Let's save it. That's it. Now let's draw the rectangle cut there. Right click on this rectangle, sketch, corner rectangle from this line to this line, a random rectangle. Then insert the dimensions we have here, 24 millimeter by 24 millimeter, distance 24 by 24. An extrude here of 20 millimeter depth from the bottom. Feature extrude cut. Line, direction is correct. Here it's 20 millimeter. Save. Let's do the other cut, another rectangle cut here, another rectangle extrude cut with depth 48 millimeter. And here it's in the middle by 40 millimeter long. Normal 2, sketch another random rectangle, smart dimension, here it's 40 millimeter, correct, and it's located in the center of the block. So we can draw a center line. This is the midpoint of this big line, the yellow, connected to the midpoint of the other line of the rectangle, right-click select, and do here horizontal. Perfect. So now it's all in black, means it's fully defined. Now let's extrude cut of depth 48 millimeter. Feature extrude cut. Here, type 48. Save. That's it. Now let's draw this cut here on the surface. Left click on the surface, right click normal to, and click on sketch. Line. Draw a vertical line like this, then another line like that, then return it to the origin, then drag it another time in order to obtain the arc. There's another vertical line, then close it. You have a radius here of 24 millimeter. Radius 24. And the height, the center to the bottom line is 20 millimeter. Center, the bottom line is 20 millimeter. And it's located in the center of the block. So center line here to the mid, center of the circle, then add relation, vertical, perfect. So now it's fully defined. You can do feature, extrude cut, drag it, perfect. Now let's draw this triangle in the mid plane of these two surfaces. Mid plane, drag it, alt, left, 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 right, sketch, draw a random triangle like this, for example. Now let's add the dimensions. We have here 25 millimeter. We can hide the plane for a better vision. And here it's located 48 millimeter from the top. The extreme point of the triangle is located it's located 48 millimeter from the top. Smart dimension from the top, it's 48 millimeter. See, now it's fully defined. We can extrude it by a width of 10 millimeter from the mid plane. So feature extrude. Here choose not blind mid plane because I want it from the middle, 10 millimeter, 5 by 5, and type 10, correct, save it. Now, like we see, you have drawn everything. Now let's add a color for a better design. Click on part 11, left click, then other click on the circle here to add the color. And for example, you can choose this color. It's perfect. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial of SolidWorks for beginners. This is our part 11. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.